What if I told you that the barren, dusty landscape of Mars could one day be dotted with shimmering domes of life? It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you might think. These geodesic domes, transparent and gleaming under the soft Martian sunlight, aren't just architectural marvels. There are future homes, gardens, and laboratories all rolled into one. But why domes? Well, the dome shape isn't just aesthetically pleasing. It's incredibly efficient at maintaining pressure and temperature, two things we'll need to control precisely if we want to survive on Mars. Inside these domes, we see a stark contrast to the rusty red outside. Lush greenery, trees reaching towards an artificial sky, and intricate water systems that seem to defy the planet's naturally arid state. Now, you might be wondering, how do we even get around on this alien world? Well, that's where our robotic friends come in. Autonomous rovers intricately designed with mechanical arms and cutting-edge scientific instruments navigate the rugged terrain. Their tracks in the Martian soil tell a story of exploration and discovery. But they're not alone out there. Astronauts in advanced lightweight spacesuits work alongside these mechanical marvels, unloading supplies, setting up equipment, and conducting research that could unlock the secrets of our celestial neighbor. And as they work, they might look up and see something familiar. Earth rising on the Martian horizon, a blue marble suspended in the cosmic void. But how often would they actually see this view, and how would it affect them psychologically?